Having been deeply rooted with an interest of bridging the physical world with the virtual world, we have built a cockpit assistance application, and our application offers a sleeker solution for quality training and has necessarily revamped how conventional training are made. We have moved the conventional training to the virtual augmented training. Augmented objects appears as if they belong to the real world, though they are just digitally crafted elements projected onto the cockpits or in various parts of the cockpits. So they just appears to be the part and parcel of the cockpit. The major advantage that it has got over the human brain is that humans learn deeply by perceiving it in the real world. So it completely transforms how the industrial trainings are made. And on top of that, our application also offers sleeker or lightweight stereoscopic render pipeline if immerse plugin is plugged in. Having been powered by machine vision and various extended reality algorithms, our application works so smoothly when it is put to work in front of a cockpit. It is possible to embed certain text or description on what each and every parts within the cockpit means. The cockpit assistance application comes bundled with an option to view the video demo or video assistance that is being streamed straight into the virtual world, and this virtual object is projected onto the real world so that the pilot or any maintenance operator could be able to see that in the real time, and they could operate along with it, or they could follow along whatever they see. So it's very much assistive when it comes to pilot training or when it comes to maintenance works or any kind of operational task.